Yes, yes, welcome to the Hair Zipper YouTube channel, and thank you so much for subscribing to our YouTube and others who are following up all our tutorials. Thank you so much. And I'm on the names of Maurice, the Crochetmaster, and today I want you to be very careful because I'm going to be showing you how you can plait the goddess braids. The goddess braids is the same way like we can plait them like other braids, like the way we always plait other braids and the normal braids. So the goddess is just that piece that we just add on the braid that to make it goddess. I'm going to be giving you the tips on how you can plait these braids without paining. Yes, because we always do mistakes when we are plaiting braids. So I want you to subscribe so that you see why we always do mistakes while we are plaiting the goddess braids. Yes. Yes, oh yes. So I'm going to give you these tips. Why do people plait braids and they pain? Number one, we have the thing of holding the hair and we add the baby hair. Like you plait with the baby hair, you don't leave the baby hair out. It is very bad. Whenever you're plaiting the braids, please make sure that when you realize the baby hair in front, please try to leave it and you plait the hair only, not with the baby hair. That is very important. And the second one, make sure like when you're plaiting, when you're trying to braid, don't make your braid to reach the scalp like very tight. Just try to leave a quarter inch so that your braid can be flexible, in that when you're going to hold a puff, it won't pain someone. So you try to leave that flexibility of the braid so that it can go all sides. Yes, that one is also very important. And to those people who always first use threads, they first use threads and after they braid, it's not good at all. I would advise, if someone wants to plait braids and when her hair is very short, at least you would advise her to do anything else, because it will break it more or it will pain a lot. So it's not good like to force when you're plaiting these braids. You need to be having the hair that will allow the braid to be flexible. Yes, so those are the things I can give you like when you're plaiting your braids. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe. Yes, so you see how I'm arranging my boxes is also very important. Like the box braids, to arrange them, it gives you the outcome is very nice. Like when you're done, the outcome is always nice. Like if you arrange your braids very nice. Like make sure like whenever you're cutting your boxes, they should be neat. And these first lines, when you cut the first line, make sure the second line that you're going to cut, the braids are going to be covering the space on the first line. So the way you see here what I'm doing, you might ask yourself like, what am I using at the first place before? It's the gel. I apply a little gel so that I should hold my hair, like I should hold all of it, and not to make it very very tight. I leave the other a quarter inch so that you stay flexible. And you see how I'm arranging my boxes. So it is very good to arrange your boxes very perfectly. And this is what I'm telling you about the goddess braid. It's the same thing as other braids, but the only thing is like we add that piece to make it goddess. So you can play it as you're adding, or you can play it and after you crochet it. So this is how I'm arranging my box braids. I want you to keep on watching these videos, because we are doing it every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And it's when on Saturday I be showing you how you can style different types of hair. So that one will be good for you. And don't forget to subscribe. Yes, don't forget to subscribe. It's gonna be fun, and I promise you I won't make sure that each of us we keep on sharing the ideas. And if you have any question that you would want to ask, please, you're free to ask. You can go on my website www.hairzippers.com. Still, we're there for you. So you see how I'm arranging my box braids. Yes, and that leaving that flexibility thing, I know my client won't feel pain. And here is a secret: whenever you see someone with long hair, just say wow, because long hair gives you that space. Like you don't need to hold it very tight like the short hair, because we'll be scared of what if you hold it, we don't hold it tight, it will break. You see how I arranged it, and you see it's flexible. You can put it behind the way it is. So I'm just encouraging you, please, whenever you're plaiting braids, don't make it very tight. Yes. So when I'm done, you see I left my baby hair as I told you. We don't always plait that, and I try to make it a simple design just like that, and then I'm done. I'm by the names of Maurice, the Crochetmaster, and keep supporting Hairzip, and don't forget to subscribe. I love you so much, and I sign out. See you next time.